Make a great choice today with the 2026 Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, electronic stability control, brake assist. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.